I see pride, I see power. Right? This is one of my favorite, if not my favorite scene in the movie. Because it is comical, but it also tells a very powerful truth. What you see in the mirror is what the world eventually sees as well. And the fact is, what other people see initially is none of your business. Because people are going to choose to see you through their own preconceived notions of what it is that they think you should or should not be able to do, what it is that they think you're capable of. The most important thing though, which is what Yul Brynner says, it's not what about I see, it's about what you see. So what do you see when you look in the mirror?